Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another tutorial. In this lesson we're continuing on with the player GUI and we're going to get the next two blocks in place. So up to now we're drawing the background textures and drawing the health, hunger and hydration. This is where we'd left off in the last video. So let's just continue on from here. And we'll do this by copying the hydration block and we'll just paste it in twice. And we'll come to this one, the first one we pasted in, and we'll change that to stamina. And the next one to battery power. So now we have the blocks in place, let's go through this. So we'll come to where we are drawing the background texture for the stamina. And we'll just copy the first two variables, so up to the second comma here. And we'll just paste this in. And we'll paste over those two. So we have the screen position. Let's see if we need to modify this. Now, once we get to this side of the screen, the right hand side, we have to calculate a little bit differently. Let's go through this. We can leave all this in place, but this time we're going to swap these round. So this will become 2.5. And this one can just be equal to 5f. Let's bring the comments back into line. And we'll just save that there for the moment. Now, I encourage you, once we've actually finished this script, to actually make a copy of your player GUI script and actually just experiment with these values. If you've got to back up, you don't have to worry about making a mistake. I think it's fairly self-explanatory, you know, the screen width minus screen width by quarter minus the texture size. And we're going on, so I think experimentation works best when learning GUI, and obviously there's documentation on the Unity website, but I hope you can understand this. If you do have any questions, you know, please always leave them in the comment section below. But I don't want to spend 20-25 minutes just explaining screen positions. I think I've done it. It's fairly self-explanatory. So let's just keep going through now. So here we draw the min texture. All the min textures are the same. We just need to change the comment to stamina. Let's come through to the next line. We need to change the bar length to stamina bar length, and the max texture as well here to the stamina max. We'll just bring the comment back into line and we'll change the comment. GUI label. Again, we need to change this to stamina, and we'll change the comment as well here. And then we'll come to the last one here, draw battery power. So again, let's come back up to where we draw the background texture for the battery. And again, we'll copy the first two and we'll paste those in there, and then we'll go through it. Let's see, we can bring this in. It doesn't need to be 7.5, it could just be 5 on this side of the screen, and I think a value of 5 there should be correct. So let's have a look. The begin group is now done. And let's come through to the next line. We just need to change the comment. And again, we want the battery bar length and its max texture as well. And we just need to swap out the comment and the label. And we just need to change the comment, and I think we are done there for now. So let's save this off and let's go through it one last time before we test it out. We create one group. This group stretches from the left side of the screen to the right, and then we position the 5 stats evenly. We then come to the first group. We position it over the first background texture. We then draw the minimum texture first. Over the top of that, we then draw the max texture based on its length. And I've already gone through how we calculate that when we covered this lesson. So once we've done that, then we could print a label over the top just saying health. And this is because you know it's the health bar, but because we have 5 different bars, somebody else playing your game may not understand what each bar is for. Health is probably pretty self-explanatory, but the rest they may not. So we print a label and then we end that group, and we just do the same for the other 4 blocks. So with that saved, let's downsize the script and go and test it out. And we may need some further adjustments, some little tweaks here and there, but let's see how it looks for now. So there's the game started up. I'll just try and move it where we get some sky in view so you can see the GUI better, and we'll turn it on. And there we go. If I turn the flashlight on, you can see the battery draining down depending on whether I hold low beam or high beam. Let's test the stamina. Oops, caught the wrong button. So if we run, you can see the stamina drain down, and if we stop, yes, we can see it going up. You can see the hunger and hydration going down, and we'll stop that there. And as I said, these going down far too fast, but it's just for testing, so it's easier for you all to see in these videos. And obviously in my final project, I'll have them decreasing a lot slower here. So we'll leave it here for this video, and in the next video I had a request to actually print the values along with the health here, and the same for the other stats. So we'll be going over how you can alter labels. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to see you next time, and until then, as always, bye for now.